Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is day number 8. In this video series, I'm showing you step by step each day the email to send to promote your HBA business using what we call MLGS. That's My Lead Gen Secrets. So if you are new to this series, welcome, and want to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the important information. So check out day number 1 in the description below. First, you're going to go to the Word document in the description. It's going to look a little bit like this. You're going to want to make sure to make a copy for yourself if you haven't done so. Just go to File, make a copy. And then what you're going to want to do is scroll down to today's email, which is going to be day number 8. So here we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this over into our MLGS account. Be sure to click on the Mailing System tab, click on Select All. If you've been following along, this is starting to get really easy and really fast. Go ahead and paste in that subject. Come over, let's grab the body. Go ahead and paste that in there. We'll select it all again. We'll go ahead and get that font size bigger, and then we'll change the paragraph format right there. Go ahead and add your name at the bottom, and then right here is where we want to put your affiliate link. So remember, you can go back into your HBA SAMcart, or you can go back into your SAMcart HBA back office and grab this link, or if you put it here for quick reference, just go ahead and click on it. We'll copy it, and then we'll come back over and highlight this. Go ahead and paste that in there. Go ahead and click OK. Let's go ahead and bold that. Make sure everything looks good. And then you'll click on Perfect Timing. I've already sent mine for today, so there'll be a preview button and that submit email button. Make sure that you just double check everything and then go ahead and fire that off. Remember, you can always add MLGS, additional MLGS accounts. These are really easy to add, and it's only going to give you additional exposure to more and more leads. As you can see, this account has almost 70,000. I've got a second account that's closing in on 20,000. So it is really valuable to have this many leads that are seeing your offer each and every day. So that'll be it for today. Take care, and we'll see you tomorrow for day number 9.